Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Fundrise step by step clearly. Begin by researching Fundrise to understand its platform and offerings. Visit the official Fundrise website to create an account. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name and email address. Verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created Fundrise account. Explore the investment options available on the platform. Choose between the starter portfolio, supplemental income, or long-term growth. Evaluate your investment goals and decide which portfolio aligns best. Review the minimum investment amounts for each option. Fund your account using a bank transfer or debit card. Once your funds are available, navigate to the investment section. Select the portfolio you wish to invest in and click on the Invest button. Review the projected returns and risks associated with your chosen investment. Confirm your investment by reviewing the terms and conditions. Submit your investment and monitor the status through your Fundrise dashboard. Track your investments regularly to stay informed about performance. Reinvest dividends and distributions to maximize your earning potential. Consider diversifying your investments within different portfolios over time. Stay updated on Fundrise news and market trends to make informed decisions. Adjust your investment strategy as your financial goals evolve. Engage with the Fundrise community through forums and discussion boards for insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.